Pathogenic microorganisms.
Audio Jungle.
Those microorganisms which can cause disease in animals and humans are referred to as pathogenic microorganisms. There are many types of pathogenic microorganisms but can be classified into five specific types that include bacteria, fungi, algae, viruses, and prions. We will discuss about them. Number one, bacteria. Cell type is unicellular. Its size ranges from 0.5 micrometer to 5 micrometer. Shape includes rods, cocci, helical forms, and filamentous. Structure and composition. They have rigid cell wall containing peptidoglycan layer. They divide by binary fission and motility. Those which contain flagella are motile. Number two, fungi. They are non-photosynthetic prokaryotes. The cell type may be unicellular or multicellular. The shape, they may be filamentous, for example, molds, or spherical, for example, yeast. Mode of infection, through direct invasion of tissue or production of mycotoxins. Notable feature, they can secrete potent enzyme which can digest organic matter. Number 3. Algae. Algae are considered plant-like because they contain chlorophyll. They may be free living in water or attached with rocks. Effect on aquatic life. Algal blooms cause toxin production which is harmful to shellfish and other animals. Number 4. Viruses. Viruses are not cells. Their size ranges from 20 nanometer to 300 nanometer. The main shape structure include spherical, brick or bullet shaped. Structure and composition. They contain either DNA or RNA surrounded by a protein coat called as capsid. They can only multiply inside a living cell and cause serious diseases in animals and humans. Number 5. Prions. These are infectious particles that are smaller than viruses and lack nucleic acid. Composition. They are composed of abnormally folded proteins. Mode of infection. They induce abnormal conformational changes in normal host cell protein. It leads to the structurally altered abnormal protein accumulation which damages long-lived cells such as neurons. Resistivity. They show remarkable resistance to physical and chemical inactivation procedures.